Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make rich shortbread. It's an easy recipe. Let's get started. Some all-purpose flour or plain flour and semolina flour. Sift them together. Set aside, I will use them later. Prepare some softened unsalted butter. Add some sugar. Cream the butter and sugar by an electric mixer. When the texture becomes fluffy, add the vanilla bean paste, then mix them well. Gradually stir in the flour I sifted before. Shape the mixture into a ball and make sure no loose flour left. At this point, I will preheat the oven at 325 Fahrenheit. I will use this 8-inch ceramic square baking dish. Transfer the dough into the baking dish, smooth the surface, and make it 13 mm thickness. Then divide the dough into 8 triangles. Prick all over the dough. I will bake them for 40 minutes at 325 Fahrenheit. Once out of the oven, sprinkle a little sugar over the top, then let them cool down for 10 minutes. This is my calculation. All the ingredients to make this 8 shortbread cost me less than $3. Once it's cold, it's very easy to remove from the baking dish and cut into 8 triangles. I'm going to enjoy my shortbread with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching my video.